Hi everyone, so I'm waiting for the sun to come out here in UK. There is no chance I will be making any videos, but the wind is not that bad today, and I'm looking for an area with less houses and less interference so we can test the signal this time and do a second test regarding the update. And talking about update, I think DJI released a new update which I will be checking also when I find the spot to fly the drone. So another thing, I downloaded a free app called UAV Forecast, which tells you if it's good to fly. It tells you about the wind, and that's why I'm outside here today, because it says it's okay to fly. And I will try to keep it again as short as possible, because also later I got work and I don't want to be late. So in today's video I will be focusing more on the signal and the performance of the drone, and check quickly if they change any settings, and that's it. So this area looks really good to me. We don't got any interference with trees, so the remote control and the drone has good connection, and yeah, this is the spot and I believe it should be fine. I set up my camera, so it's time now to set up my drone. But before I set up my drone, I want to show you my new purchase. It's a helipad and I will be testing it also today, but it looks really good quality, waterproof. So if anyone is interested about this, I will have a link under the description. So let's begin. So I went to the website and updated the new app version, which is the 1.4.8. and I'm going through the settings and I don't see any difference regarding the settings. They didn't change anything. Here is the same, the resolution's the same. With this, I think it was a bit different. It wasn't like that. You had the bar there, and also I've read they changed the way the map operates. It's way quicker. It didn't change the map, but it operates way more faster. So I just inserted a new battery to do the test. We double checking our settings. Everything is fine. So it's time to fly.
Take off.
So let's check the signal if it stays strong. I will be going in a straight line. Here we got some houses, so maybe we will have some interference. We need to pass and see. I'm not gonna go far, just for safety reasons. I will maybe go 400 meters and just bring it back. Well, the signal stays strong this time. Again, the battery is going fast, but I believe, as a viewer said, it's because of the wind and the drone is trying to fight the wind. That's why it's draining more battery.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
But I'm happy with the signal. I didn't see any interference, any warnings, so everything good with this update.
Warmth of your skin, I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart, makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the result, and this is it, guys, for the video. Let's hope we have a better day tomorrow so I can keep posting videos until we have a sunny day and show you the ideas that I have with the drone.